Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. And as you know that today is a review video. So basically I wanted to do the review of Dom's brushes and swatches of Dom's watercolor, but unfortunately as usual I wasn't able to find Dom's watercolor palette because I don't know where I kept, in which room I have kept. So yeah, so it's all about a review of these brushes. As you can see, I have made separate boxes for each brush and I have written the brush number. Okay, so let's start the review. So I bought these brushes from a local stationery and the MRP is 250 rupees and I got it for 230 rupees. So to test these brushes, I'm going to make very thin line from the tip of the brush. Then I will make thick horizontal lines and the third stroke will be thick and thin strokes. I will make the same stroke with every brush, like with a different number, so that you can see the difference of all the brushes. These are synthetic brush and I have purchased it for watercolor. We can use acrylics as well, but we have to wash immediately after using, like whenever we are using acrylic we have to use it and we have to clean the brush as soon as we are done with the coloring. Important thing is that these are beginner friendly brushes, not the artist grade brushes. So we have done with this strokes. Like you can see that every stroke is different because as the size is increasing, the strokes are increasing. So these are really good brushes. I actually like them a lot because these kind of brushes which you use a lot, because they are very affordable and you love to use affordable things. Basically you can experiment more with these kind of affordable stationery items. Basically I use round brushes for florals and for making details in landscape, because mostly for the landscape I use flat brush for the background, and for the details I use round brushes. Now I will use canson sheet and will make some florals on it. The paper in which I have done the review, the strokes, that is not suitable for watercolor. It's a normal register, so I have taken a sheet of canson watercolor paper and now I'm going to make some florals on it. I will use different brushes, but obviously I'm going to use 240 kind of brushes for florals as my paper is very small. So from now on this video will be in real time, and I'm sorry for that because in editing this problem happened and now you have to watch this video in real time. And it's good for you if you want to want to recreate the florals which I am making and how I am making, so it will be easier for you to follow me. Otherwise you can do you can speed up the video into two, or else you can watch it like this, and I'm really sorry for that. Inshallah in upcoming video this problem will not be there because I have learned my lesson from this mistake. So inshallah आगे ये problem नहीं आएगी. So watch this video in real time or speed up. Now video is about to get over finally. And I'm so proud of all those people who are still watching, who have watched this video in real time. Do let me know in the comment section if you have watched this video in real time, because I really want to know. And I know it's very boring because I can't see this video in real time, and hats off to all those people who have watched this video in real time. So proud of you.